Bro, where you at, bro?
Get this from you.
That should have been a touchdown, bro.
He say you on top of the house.
Ain't got no rope.
Oh, shit. Hey, she talking bad shit.
Bro, this nigga on top of the house, bro. The fuck?
Who?
Bro.
Boy, what the fuck wrong with you, boy?
The fuck, bro?
That big head so goddamn long. Hey, twin.
Bro, what are you doing up there, bro?
Hold on, stay out there, bitch. Hold up.
Bro, it about 26 degrees out there.
Bro, no way this man is on top of the freaking house, bro.
Ain't no motherfucking.
Oh my god, chat. Bruh, look, he finna go get the camera, bro.
Bro, oh shit. How the hell did you get up there, gang? What, nigga?
Spider-Man,
You nigga man, get down, nigga. This is how the hell this nigga get up this bitch?
Coming on the God damn.
Nah, we talking about that nigga right now.
Miles Morales is on the roof.
Where you going, Zal? You straight? You good?
Bro, it's chilly as hell out here, bro. You on top of the fucking house.
It's a bird.
This nigga is wild for real.
How the hell you get up there, guy?
Nigga man.
You left your phone.
You gotta go back up though.